Hello viewers, welcome to CVR's Maths class. This is the second video I am making for the chapter Arithmetic Progressions as a part 2. Before watching this video, please watch my previous video on Arithmetic Progressions, that is the part 1, for the continuation of the chapter, and it will help you to understand these concepts better. In this video, I have come up with a very interesting problems and application oriented problems. Few of these questions were asked in the board examination also, and even you like to solve this type of problems. Under these application questions, the first question I have taken here is show that a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, and a plus b whole square are in AP. So how to say that these three terms are in arithmetic progression? They belongs to the family of arithmetic progression. Do they have any identity card with them to show that we belongs to this arithmetic progression? Just on the lighter side. And we know that the terms of the progression becomes arithmetic progression when they have the common difference among themselves. So let us consider a minus b whole square as the first term, a square plus b square as the second term, and a plus b whole square as the third term. To check whether they belongs to arithmetic progression or not, we will find the common difference. So common difference, we have the formula, that is b minus a is equal to c minus b. So what is b here? A square plus b square. A square plus b square minus a is what? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square should be equal to c minus b. C is what? A plus b whole square minus b is nothing but a square plus b square. So all of you know how to simplify further. So this gives you a square plus b square minus, shall we expand a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. In RHS also, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus of a square plus b square. In the next step, we will open up the bracket on both the sides. So that gives you a square plus b square minus a square minus b square, then minus into minus gives you plus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus a square, and minus into plus gives you minus b square. Any like term having the opposite sign here? So plus a square minus a square plus b square minus b square will cancel in LHS. At the same time in RHS also, plus a square minus a square plus b square minus b square gets cancels. So what is the leftover term now? 2ab. 2ab is equal to what? Here also we got a 2ab. So what is this 2ab here? Common difference. So that a common difference d is equal to 2ab. If the common difference exists among the terms of the progression, then naturally that given terms forms an AP. Therefore, given terms forms an AP. Forms an AP. If the common difference does not satisfy, suppose LHS you will get AB, RHS you will get 2AB, then we will say that the given terms are not in AP. It is clear that you will get common difference equal because already it is mentioned that show that. That means already they are the terms of AP. And we have to prove that their common difference is equal. That is the reason that they are in AP. So this is the first question. A simple question I have taken in the beginning. And this type of question can be asked for a multiple choice question or 1 mark question in the examination. Let me take a second question based on again arithmetic progression. Find the middle term of AP. Find the middle term of AP. Middle term of AP. 213, 205, 205, 197, 197 terms are continuing, and the last term is 37. So in yesterday's class, we have seen how to find out the particular term, 28th term, 25th term, or from the back that 13th term or 20th term, like that. And here is asking find the middle term. Even we do not know how many terms are there from 213 to 37 to find the middle term, or you can say total number of terms, we'll count and come to the middle term. So that process is not required. First, let us find out how many terms are there. Based on how many terms are there, and you have learned how to find the middle term in statistics, in median. So let us see, n you will get odd number or even number. First, let us find out n. So for finding n, we have discussed that arithmetic progression revolves around a, d, n, and l. So these four terms will help you. Yeah, among these four, three will be given to you. How to find out the fourth one? Okay. So what is given to us in this condition? A is equal to 213. 213. What is the common difference? These terms are in descending order. Common difference are naturally you will get in a negative term. No? So D is equal to, if you want, you can write that 205 minus 213 is equal to 197 minus 205. So what is the common difference you are going to get here? Is it 8 to 205 plus 8 213? No? What type of 8? Minus 8 is equal to 197 minus 205 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, we got D is equal to what? Minus 8. After D, what is given? 37. So L is equal to 37. To find out n, how many terms are there from 213 to 37, I will give you one simple formula. What is that formula? That formula also derived from the nth term of AP also. Tn is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to L. No? So what I will do here, A I will transpose to RHS. So n minus 1 into D is equal to L minus A. I am deriving the formula directly to find out n. Okay. Then divide both the sides by D. Divide both the sides by D. D and D will cancel. So n minus 1 is equal to L minus A by D in D. Okay. We want n only. So what you do is transpose minus 1 to RHS. So n is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. If you use this formula, straight away you will get n value. Okay. So number of terms from 213 to 37. So number of terms n is equal to, what is your L? 37 minus A is 213 divided by D, common difference. What is the common difference we got? Minus 8, no? Common difference is minus 8 plus 1. Okay, therefore n is equal to, what is the difference between 37 and 213? Minus 213 and plus 37. Okay, sir. 13 minus 7, 6. 10 minus 3, 7. 1. Minus 176. Minus 176 divided by minus 8 plus 1. Okay. So after this minus and minus gets cancelled, no, sir? So how many times this 8 divides 176? 8 2s are 16 and 8 2s are 16. So that gives you 22 plus 1. 22 plus 1. So n is equal to 23. That means total number of terms from, what is the series given to you? 213, 205 and 197 dash dash up to 37. There are 23 terms. So 23 terms are there. Among these 23 terms, you have to find out the middlemost observation. So in class 9th, you have learned among this median. So median in a statistics, suppose we have 7, 9, 15, 14 and 18. These terms are arranged in ascending order. How to get the median? The middlemost observation, that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 15 we got the median. How we got that 15? Number of terms n is equal to odd here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equals 5. So the middlemost observation is given by n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. N is what? 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. That means 6 by 2 is the third term. Third term will give you the median. That is first, second, third. Okay, sir. So here also n is 23. N is equal to odd number. Therefore, middle term is equal to which term forms the middle term? Okay, that is 23 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. 12th term will form the median. So you need to find out T12 now. Is it correct, sir? 213, 205, 197. If you continue like that, the 12th term will become the middle term from 213 to that term and 97 to 37 to that term. This 12th term will be the median term. So we will find out T12 now. So T12 is equal to, first write Tn formula. Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct, sir? So T12 is equal to, what is your A, sir? 213. N is equal to what? 12 minus 1. Common difference is what? Minus 8. Common difference is minus 8 only, no? So that gives you 213 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into minus 8. So which is equal to 213 minus 88. What is the difference between 213 and minus 88? 13 minus 8, 5. And 10 minus 8, 2. And 1. So 125, the 12th term will become the middle term among the terms which is given to you, 213 and 205. Like that, if you write, the 12th term is 125. Okay, if you write like this, 37. So this from here to here, this will become the middle term. So this type of question is not given even in your textbook also. This is just slight an application question. Again, the formula used is same. That is nth term of arithmetic progression. It's a very important question. Let me go to the third question. Third question. If 5, 11, 17. If 5, 11, 17 dash dash are in AP. Are in AP means what? Arithmetic progression. Find T41 minus T31 without actually finding the 41st and 31st term separately. You need not find out this 41st term and 31st term and subtract them and say that this is the difference between 41st term and the 31st term. So what you do is, what is given to you here? T41 minus T31. What you do is, first general term you will write. What is that? A plus 41 minus 1 into D. Tn formula, no? Is equal minus, okay, that minus we will write as it is. So that gives you minus T31 means what? You'll use the bracket. A plus 31 minus 1 into common difference. So this is the 41st term. This is the 31st term. So on further simplification, A plus 41 minus 1 is 40. 40D minus A plus 31 minus 1 is 30. 30 into D, 30D. Okay, sir. So which is equal to A plus 40D minus A, minus into minus plus, no, minus into plus minus 30D. What happens? Plus A and minus A will cancel. 40D minus 30D is equal to what? 10D. So that means the difference between T41 and T31, 41st terms and 31st terms is equal to 10D. So what is D there? The common difference, that is 11 minus 5 is 6. 17 minus 11 is equal to 5. So common difference D is equal to what? 11 minus 5 is equal to 17 minus 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 17 minus 11 also 6. So the difference is equal to what you are going to get. The difference of 41 and 31st term is equal to 10 into 6. So which is equal to 60. 60 is the difference between the 41st and the 31st term of the given AP. Okay, so you need not waste time separately to find out and simplify them, get the 41st term and 31st term and do some subtraction. Here, by using the formula directly in the 41st and 31st term, this A terms gets cancelled, only D will be left. That substitute the value of D, you are going to get the required result. So the third question we have completed. Again, that was the application oriented question. And next come to the fourth. This is third or fourth question. We have completed third question. Now we are going to fourth question. Fourth question. What fourth question we are going to discuss now? Let me write. How many numbers lie between? How many numbers lie between 100 and 300? 100 and 300, which are divisible by 4, which are divisible by 4. Leave remainder. Leave remainder. Leave remainder 3. Leave remainder 3. Okay. It's again slightly an application question. Normally in the exam or your textbook, what they give, how many numbers lie between 100 and 300, which are divisible by 4. There only the question ends. Here, little extension of this problem is what? That type of numbers you have to consider such that when you divide by 4, always that number should leave the remainder 3. Such type of terms, we have to take it as an arithmetic progression terms. Okay. So we want the numbers which is lying between 100 and the 300. Try to understand the question here. What is the question? The numbers between 100 and 300. That means you should not consider this 300 and 100. Okay. Between them, you have to consider what type of numbers. That numbers should be divisible by 4. When you divide by 4, the remainder should be 3. Can you guess what will be the first number? Okay. Shall we take, okay, simple divisible term you take first. So that by 4, no? 4 2s are 8 and 4 6 are 24. 104 is divisible by what 4. Suppose if I take 103, what happens? 103, we divide by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 2 23. 4 5s are 20. And what will be the remainder? You are going to get 3. That means the first number after 103 divisible by 4, leaving the remainder 3 means you are 103. Correct, sir? After 103, add 4 to that. It is 107 and 111. Okay. You can go on continuing like that. So which is the term previous to 300, which is divisible by 4 and leaves the remainder for 3 again. Suppose like 300 itself you divide by 4, what you are going to get? 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28 and 220. 4 5s are 20. That means 300 is exactly divisible by 4. Suppose if I take 299, what happens? Okay, by 4. 4 5s, 4 7s are 28 and 1 19. 4 4s are 16. What is the remainder? 3. That means 4 divides 299, quotient is 74 and the remainder is 3. So that means just one term which is prior to 299 to 300 is 299. Okay. So these terms, that is 103, 107, 111 dash up to 299 satisfies the given statement, that is the numbers lying between 100 and 300. When you divide by 4, always it leaves the remainder 3. So now we got the AP. Okay, sir. So what you have to do is you use the formula, get how many terms are there from 103 to 299, you have to find out. So let me write what is our A here? A is equal to 103. Common difference D is equal to what? 107 minus 103 is equal to 111 minus 107. So 107, 103 is 4 now, and here also 4. So D is equal to 4. And A is equal to 103, D is equal to 4, and the last term is what? 299. L is equal to 299. I gave you just one formula to you now. Derive that to find N. Directly you can apply that formula. N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. If you apply this formula, directly you will get how many terms are there from 103 to 299. So let me substitute this in the formula. N equals, what is L, sir? 299. A is what? 103. Divided by, what is the common difference? 4. And plus 1. Okay, sir. What is the difference between 299 and 103? Shall we use here? 299 and 103. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9, 2 minus 1, 1, which is equal to 196, which is equal to 196 divided by 4 plus 1. I think 196 is divisible by 4. How many times it will divide? 4 4s are 16, and how many? 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So that gives you 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 gives you what? 50. So that means N is equal to 50. What is the meaning of this N is equal to 50? There are 50 terms from 103 to 299. When it is divided by 4, always it leaves the remainder 3. Okay. So this is how you have to solve when the question is asked in this pattern. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Come to question number 5. This also an interesting problem. For what value of N? For what value of N? Nth term of APs. Nth term of APs. 63, 65, 67. 63, 65, 67, dash, dash, dash. And 3, 10, 17, dash, dashes are equal. Okay, sir. For what value of N? Okay, for certain number of terms when you take, start writing from 63, 65, 67, at certain stage, after writing certain numbers, that number, when it is compared with the numbers 3, 10, 17, when it is reducing in the increasing in this form, at certain stage for a particular number, both of their nth term is same. So what is that N is asking in the question? That means nth term of both APs are same. What is given to you? Tn is equal to Tn. Okay, sir. Then what is N value? For what value of N, both of their nth terms are same. It is possible. Why? Because it is first series starting from 63. That common difference is what? 2 only. In the second AP, it is reduced by how much? Increased by how much? 3, 10, 17 means it is increasing by 7. And whereas first series, first AP is increasing by 2 only. After certain stage, this arithmetic progression 3, 10, 17 will catch up with 63, 65, 67. So at what stage this N, that is that particular term becomes equal to first AP and second AP. So Tn is equal to Tn. So let us write down what is A already. Already here we will write for first Tn, for first AP. Okay. First AP and the second AP. We'll list out what is given to us. Second AP. First AP, A is equal to what? 63. Correct, sir? And what is the common difference? D is equal to 63 65 minus 63, that gives you what, sir? 2. Okay. For second AP, A is equal to what, sir? A is equal to 3. What is the common difference? Common difference is equal to what? 60, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 gives you what? 7. Again, 17 minus 10 also 7. Here also, 67 minus 65 also 2. So let us write the Tn formula now. Except n, you got all the values here. So in Tn formula, shall I write this a plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into common difference. I will take capital D because they are two separate APs. No? Here also, here I will take a plus n minus 1 into common difference is D. This is your capital Tn and this is Tn. This is nth term of the first AP. This is the nth term of second AP. Both A's are different and common difference also different. That's why how I am taking here capital letters and there I am taking the small letters. Okay. Next, shall we substitute the values now? A is equal to what's 63. N minus n only we have to find out. What is the common difference for first AP? It is 2. For second AP, what is the first term? A is 3. N minus 1. What is the common difference for the second AP? 7. Now shall we simplify this? 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7 into n is 7n minus 7 into 1 minus 1 is minus 7. 63 plus 2, 65 plus 2n is equal to 7n. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Bring the like terms to one side. That means let me take 2n to RHS and bring this minus 4 to LHS. So what does it becomes now? 65 plus 4 is equal to 7n. 7n 60, okay, what number we got? 63 now? 63 minus 2. Okay, it is not 65, it is 61 now. 63 minus 2, it is 61. Okay, so here also we will change this 65 to 61. Okay, sir. So 61, okay, plus 4 is equal to 7n plus 2n will become minus 2n. What is 61 plus 4? 65. 65 equals what? 7n minus 2n is equal to what? 7n minus 2n gives you 5n. Okay, sir. So divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So 5 and 5 we cancel. 5 divides 16 how many times? 13 times. So n is equal to 13. So what is this n is equal to 13 indicates here? When the two APs are written, the 13th term of both the APs are same. So T13 is equal to T13. Shall we check both the T13s are equal or not? Okay. So we will check, we will verify. Capital T, that is Tn is equal to Tn. That means T13 is equal, capital T13 is equal to small t13. Capital T13 is equal to small t13. Okay. For first series, what is A? 63 plus 13 minus 1 into common difference is equal to what for first AP? 2. 63 plus 13 minus 1 into 2. For the second AP, what is the first term? 3 plus 13 minus 1 into common difference is equal to what? 7. Common difference is 7 only? Okay. That gives you 63 plus 13 minus 1, 12. 12 into 2, 24 is equal to 3 plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 7 is 84. So 23 plus 34 is 87. 84 plus 3 is equal to what? 87. So that means what nth term we got, that is the 13th term, which is equal. The numerical value of 13th term in both APs are same. That we have verified also. So have a glance at this question once again. or what value of n, nth term of AP is 63, 65, 67, and 3, 10, 17 are equal. So we have compared the nth term equal, which is given in the question. So the equal term is found to be the 13th term in both the APs. Okay, I hope all of you understood all the concepts what we have discussed in this video. Very, very interesting problems. Hope all of you enjoyed in solving these problems and like these problems and solve this type of problems some more so that the concepts will become very easy for you. Almost I am covering all the concepts which is connected to arithmetic progression and different type of problems, not only from the textbook. I am taking the questions from outside textbook also and the examination oriented questions also. Please watch the entire video and take benefit out of it. Okay, that's all from this video, and I'll come with one more video connected to again arithmetic progression as part 3. That's all from this video. Have a good day.